Verb, a word that shows an action, state or an event is called a verb. Example: 1. They study English grammar. Action. 2. We celebrate Independence Day. Event. 3. I sleep at night. State.
Types of verbs: regular verb, irregular verb, linked verb, transitive verb. Intransitive verb, finite verb, infinite verb. Regular verb: a regular verb is a verb that follows the standard patterns in its inflection. It is any verb that follows the general rules of conjugating verbs. For example, both action verbs and stative verbs can be regular verbs. The simple past tense and past participle of regular verbs are formed by adding ed or d to the base form of the verb. For instance, the verb walk is a regular verb because its past tense and past participle are walked. Irregular verb: an irregular verb is a verb that does not follow the standard patterns of conjugation in the languages in which it occurs. Irregular verbs are those verbs that do not form the past simple tense and past participle by adding ed to the base form of the verb. These verbs do not follow a predictable pattern when changing from present to past tense. For instance, the past tense of go is went and the past tense of eat is ate.
Thank you for watching our video. For more courses details, subscribe our channel.